In this video I'll show you how to remove the sun visor of your Nissan Versa or Tiida. The first thing you'll need to find is a flathead screwdriver or a thin knife, something like this, so you can remove this plastic cap that is hiding the two screws. So you need to insert it gently and pull down. It should come out easily. Now you need to pull this small plastic cap. Here we go. And this will reveal two Phillips screws. So take your screwdriver and remove both of them. Don't lose them, because obviously you will need them. Okay. And now all you have to do is take it out from here and simply pull it from there. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you in the next one.